How to change the Instagram feed. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. With that, you will land to your profile page. Now how can you change your Instagram feed? You can archive the post, likewise pin the post. If you want to pin any of the posts, just open the post. Now at the top right corner of the post, you will find three dots. Click on it. Now click on this option of pin to your profile. With that, this post will be pinned to your profile. Likewise, if you want to archive any of the posts, what you can do is open it. Now click on three dots given at the top right corner. Click on archive. With that, the post will be removed from your feed. Likewise, if you want to unpin the post, just open the post, click on three dots, click on this option, unpin from your profile. By applying the same process, you can easily pin or unpin any of the posts in your Instagram feed. Well, this is how you can easily change Instagram feed. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.